Hello friends, today I will show you how to install JDK, that is Java Development Kit, in your PC. Basically, JDK is a kind of software which is used to run the Java programs in your system. So first you have to download it. For that you have to open your browser, open google.com and then type JDK download. Here you will find out the first link, that is from oracle.com. Just open it. Click on this button, then click on this accept license agreement. Here you will find a number of JDK versions which are compatible with different platforms. You can download the JDK version which is compatible with your system. As I am using the Windows 8 64-bit, so I will download this one JDK. Just click on it and your JDK will be downloaded. As I have already downloaded it, so no need to download it again. After downloading it, go to the location where you have downloaded, open it, just click yes, click next, next. As you can see, the installation has been started. It will take some time. Click next. As you all know that JDK is the first software which every Java programmer need to run their Java program. Without having JDK, you cannot run your Java program. So it is very important to install it correctly. It will finish in some time. Yeah, it has been installed correctly. Now close. Now we have to set the path of the JDK in our system. For that, go to your My Computer, right click on Computer, click on Properties, then click on Advanced System Settings, then click on Environment Variables, then click on Path and then Edit. Here you can see a number of paths which has been already installed here. So you just have to put a semicolon at the end, and before that you have to go to My Computer, C drive, then Program Files, then Java folder, then the folder where you have installed the JDK. As I have installed two versions of JDK, that is JDK 1.7.51 and JDK 1.8. Now we had installed JDK 1.8, so open this folder, go to bin folder, right click on there and copy address as text, then go to your path variable and paste that path I will show you it again. Just right click on it and click paste. See, this path has been pasted here. Click on OK, click on OK, click OK. Just remember one thing, while copying your path and pasting in the path variable, do not clear the already copied path. If you clear all these paths, then there might be some problem while executing the other programs. Now our JDK has been properly installed. To check it, we will make a Java class and then run it. Click on File, New, Java. Name it as test. And then click on Sahilgarh, that is my name, and then save it. And then test dot Java, and then open command prompt. Go to your location where you have saved that file, compile it. You can see the icon blinks again. That means your JDK has been installed properly and your Java file has been compiled. Now we will run it. See, the output came. So this way you can install your JDK in your system. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.